2010 Mercury Grand Marquis LS, loaded. Low miles, runs and drives, excellent. These are still one of the most reliable cars, or this motor rather, one of the most reliable motors ever made. Nationwide financing is available. We sell and ship worldwide. For more information on this car or any other car or financing, please visit our website. Here's our information right there. Or you can go in the description of this vehicle and you'll get the website. Alloy wheels. We got 4 brand new tires on this car. It only needed 2, but we put all 4. Great cruiser, as they say, over-the-road cruiser. It gets decent gas mileage. You don't have a heavy foot. Running great, just like it should. Thanks for watching.